Hey signers, today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. More on that later. In today's video, we are focusing on the 25 easiest signs to remember. Our channel focuses on all things American Sign Language. So if that sounds like something you love, then be sure to like, subscribe, and get notified. Now, let's learn how to sign the easiest signs to remember in ASL. Before we get started, here are a few tips to help you along the way. Sign with me. It will be so much easier to remember if you sign along with me. If you aren't clear on a sign, skip back a little and watch it again. You can also slow down the video. Nice to meet. Speaking of watching it again, repetition is key to learning anything new, especially a new language. So watch these videos often to fully retain all the information. Now, let's jump into learning the 25 easiest signs you'll ever learn. Good or well. Your dominant hand is coming from your chin down to your non-dominant. Good or well. Bad. Bad. It's the opposite of good. It just flips around. Bad. Hungry. Hungry. You have a C-shaped hand moving down your chest for hungry. And if you're really hungry, you just do this with emphasis. Hungry. Thirsty. Thirsty. You have your index finger coming from your chin down to your chest because you're so thirsty. Thirsty. My or mine. It's a flat hand just put right here on your chest. My or mine. Your. Your. Your flat hand is pushing towards somebody. Your. Where. Where. Your index finger is searching like a compass. Where's north? Where. Who or who. I like to think of an owl going, who, 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 or who. How or how. You're doing the sign how, but make sure that your eyebrows are down because it's a WH question. How. How. Why or why. You're wiggling or it's pulling out to a Y hand. Why or why. Baby. Baby. You're just rocking the baby. Baby. Child. Child. You're patting the child on their head. Child. Work. Work. Your two fists are pounding right on top of each other. Work. Home. Home. It's a flat O going across the side of your face. Home. School. School. I like to think of a teacher clapping to get the class's attention. School. Restaurant. Restaurant. You have an R hand moving on either side of your mouth because it's a place that you eat. Restaurant. Sleep or sleep. This is your eyes going down to sleep or your head on the pillow to sleep. 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 Awake. Awake. These are your eyelids shut and then they open up because you're awake. Awake. Sick. Sick. When people get sick, it's typically with their head and their stomach. Sick. Happy. Happy. Your hands are flat and they're on your chest moving up. Happy. Tired. Tired. It's showing your body slumped over when you're tired. Tired. Excited. Excited. Your feeler fingers are moving up on your chest. Excited. Morning. Morning. Because the sun is coming up in the morning. Morning. Afternoon. Afternoon. Think of where the sun is in the afternoon. Afternoon. Night. Night. Think of where the sun is at night. Night. Now let's put these signs into sentences. Where do you work? You work where? You. I'm hungry. Do you want to go to a restaurant? Me hungry. Restaurant, you want. Go, you. I'm tired. Good night. Me tired me. Good night. I'm sick. I need to sleep. Me sick me. Need sleep. Great job! If you love this video, we know you'll love our 150 essential signs videos that cover some of these signs and of course, more. Check it out right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be notified to check out our future videos. Also, thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.